Righto guys, I'm going to show you how to make my crunchy charisma potato balls with cheesy bechamel sauce. Whew, mate, these are that good. So we want about 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes. We want to whack it in a saucepan with some water in it, salt it, get it on the boil. It's going to take about 35 to 40 minutes. All right, so I've pulled them out. I've just let them cool down a little bit because they get very hot, but you can see that goes in very, very easy. And I just grab the sort of wooden spoon or anything you've got that you can just push it through the sieve, and on the other side, look what you end up with. See this leftover stuff, the skins, bit of potato. I'll collect that from all of them, fry it off, bit of sour cream, chives, delicious. All right, so potato is all in that big bowl. We've got about 3 cups. So you could do this with leftover mashed potato also. Now we've got some Silverside from Coles Deli. And now this is just like those 2 things just remind me of my childhood, big time. So you just want to really dice this up nice and thin. So I'm just going to cut down through like that. So they're all the same size into the bowl. So now we go chives. So we want about a teaspoon and a half of chopped chives, just rocking through. Chives in. Now we've got 1 garlic clove. I'm going to chop the skin off. We're going to grate that. Then about a 1/4 cup of parmesan. Look at that. It smells amazing. That's going to go in too. Throw some salt. Pepper. About a teaspoon and a half whole grain mustard. So you want to just give it a good mix through. Spread it all out. So you want something sort of, you know how it's sort of corned beef all the way through it. You can see the chives, little whole grain mustards. Yummo. We're going to sit that on the side, let it cool down. Meanwhile, we're going to get the cheesy bechamel dipping sauce. So good. On a low heat, we want to put a tablespoon of butter in. We've got a tablespoon of plain flour. Gonna stir that around. Now the flour is the thickening agent. We add the milk. Keep whisking. Alright, so I've just whisked it all up. It's pretty thin. As it heats, it's gonna start to thicken. Let it thicken. Keep stirring. We'll add our grated parmesan. Keep an eye on it as we're just getting ready. We want a few more chives. I'm going to add that in. I'm going to add a pinch of nutmeg. Salt. Pepper. See how thick that's getting now? So you're wondering what that is? That's our second pantry because we're traveling Australia in a bus, and this one just doesn't do it. All right, so that's good. We've got the bowl ready. Now it's pretty cool. So we'll be able to roll them up into balls. We'll drop them in the egg and then drop them in the panko. Righto, we've got the balls made, we're prepped, we're ready for some cooking. Remember guys, this is hot oil, so let's be very careful. Parents are helping out, just keep an eye on it. I've got the vegetable oil to 170 degrees, and I'm gonna use these tongs and just place them in. Oh, sizzle. Now we don't wanna overcrowd the pan. So you wanna keep that oil up to temp. So I'm gonna do about 5 at a time, a little batch. It won't take long, because all we're really doing here is we want the panko to turn brown. We don't want it to, that's why we've got it at 170 degrees. If you got it any lower, the oil will probably start to seep in. But we want nice golden crunchy balls of some cheesy sauce. Oh, it's delicious. Stop it, stop it. You've got to keep an eye on these. Look at that. Oh. Stop it. Righto, so I've just chucked them on the board. Put the bechamel sauce into a little pot. Bit of sea salt on top. Nostalgic Australian dinner. Oh my god, I feel like I'm 12 again.